Hey everyone, this is Dimitris here, and today we are going to talk about 10 of the most important Greek verbs you need to know. So let's not waste any more time and let's go right into it. So the first verb we have for today is είμαι, which is I am. Είμαι. An example would be είμαι κουρασμένος, which means I am tired, and for female it would be είμαι κουρασμένη. Or another example would be είμαι δάσκαλος or είμαι δασκάλα, which means I am a teacher. So είμαι δάσκαλος is I am a teacher for masculine, and είμαι δασκάλα is I am teacher for feminine. Then we have the verb κάνω, which is to do or to make. Κάνω. An example would be κάνω δουλειά, which is I do work, I'm doing work. Κάνω δουλειά, or κάνω ένα cake. Κάνω ένα cake, which means I'm making a cake. Κάνω ένα cake. Then we have the verb πηγαίνω, which is to go. Πηγαίνω. An example would be πηγαίνω στην δουλειά κάθε μέρα. Another word you could say to go is πάω. Πάω, for example, πάω στον γιατρό. Πάω στον γιατρό means I go to the doctor. Then we have the verb βλέπω. Βλέπω, which is to see. Βλέπω. An example would mean βλέπω μία ταινία or βλέπω έναν φίλο μου. I'm seeing a friend. Βλέπω έναν φίλο μου το βράδυ. Then we have the verb θέλω, which is to want. Θέλω. An example would be θέλω μία μπύρα. Θέλω μία μπύρα. I want a beer. Or θέλω έναν καφέ. I want a coffee. Θέλω έναν καφέ. Then we have the word τρώω, which is to eat. An example would be τρώω κάθε μέρα πρωινό. Τρώω κάθε μέρα πρωινό, which means I eat breakfast every day. So τρώω is to eat. Κάθε μέρα means every day. Πρωινό is breakfast. Πρωινό. Then we have the verb πίνω, which is to drink. Πίνω. An example would be το καλοκαίρι πίνω πολύ νερό. In the summer, I drink a lot of water. So το καλοκαίρι means the summer. Πίνω is I drink. Πολύ νερό, a lot of water. At number 9, we have the verb μένω, which is to stay or to live. An example would be μένω στην Αθήνα. Μένω στην Αθήνα, which means I live or I stay in Athens. Μένω στην Αθήνα. And lastly, we have the Greek verb κοιμάμαι, which is to sleep. Κοιμάμαι. So for example, if you want to say I will sleep early today, you can say θα κοιμηθώ νωρίς σήμερα. Θα κοιμηθώ means I will sleep. Νωρίς is early. Σήμερα is today. If you're enjoying this video, make sure to have a look at my Greek speaking course, which is in the link in this YouTube video. So my Greek speaking course is pretty much a summary of all the YouTube videos I will be making, and so far more than 1,700 people have joined with great reviews. So if you're actually serious about improving your Greek, have a look at the Greek speaking course, and I'm looking forward to seeing you in the next YouTube video.